Sulphonylureas and glitazones. Sulphonylureas. In spite of the big number of anti-diabetic factors obtainable, anyway, sulphonylureas stay the most widely utilized medicines for handling patients with kind 2 diabetes. Sulphonylurea medicines link the sulphonylurea receptor, which is an ATP-sensible K+ channel, and prevent potassium efflux, which eases secretion of insulin. What's more, sulphonylureas are strong glucose-independent insulin secretococcus that perform immediately on beta cells of pancreas. The initial descent sulphonylureas are actually the oldest and contain chloropropamide, tolbutamide, tolazamide, and acetohexamide. The second descent sulphonylureas contain glyburide, also recognized as glibenclamide, glipizide, glimepiride, and gliclazide. Regardless of the beneficial impacts of metformin in developing glycemic control, very oftentimes, anyway, metformin alone is inadequate for accomplishment of fine metabolic control. Oftentimes, as well, glycemic control damages in patients treated with metformin. This requires combination treatment by combining a secondary composition to metformin medicine. Most oftentimes, sulphonylureas are inserted. Glitazones. Glitazones develop insulin work in adipose, muscle, and hepatic tissue by performing like agonists of peroxisome proliferator activated receptor gamma, PPAR, gamma nuclear receptors. Stimulation of PPAR gamma produces in a great number of both vascular and metabolic impacts by downregulating and upregulating expression of abundant genes containing genes recognized to organize glucose and lipid metabolism, vascular rule, the inflammatory response, and thrombotic rule. Glitazones also decrease blood pressure, develop lipid metabolism, decreasing triglyceride standards, elevating HDL cholesterol, and elevating concentrations of big buoyant LDL particles, and as well develop vascular reactivity and rheologic malformations popular to insulin resistance and kind 2 diabetes.